We are here at the Mount Apo crater from 90 degrees. It's already it's already 12:30 noon. We just finished our lunch, and the altitude of this crater is 2,735 meters above sea level. Ayaw kusog. Oh, this is Lion Tiger. This is Jun Capo.
Second time, I will bring a guitar. Here, I will get the guitar.
So this is the crater here.
Ronald. Second time. Second time, I will bring guitar here in Mount Apo.
This is nephew and uncle. Uncle Jun and nephew Jeb Jeb. They usually quarrel around here.
This is Morris guitar from Japan.
Lihat kayak ulan na.